I am Trishat. I am the head boy of Wairuku Primary School, where Ratu Sukuna had attended. I am very privileged that he attended our school. It is a great honor that to go to a school where such a great man has attended. He was also born on the island of Bau, and he and his family lived in Lalabalavu and moved to Wairuku so that he can attend our school. He studied in our school from class 1 to class 5, and then he went to complete his secondary education in New Zealand, and then he went to Oxford, and he has also given some great awards. Very proud that we are here representing by his side, that he studied in our school, and we are also here. We should all understand that he has been a great man and has done a lot for our country. We should also think about others before thinking about ourselves only, and we should be kind and respectful to everyone. If we work together, we can reach success happily, and we can all celebrate together, and we can be all happy together with each other.